Did you know that your body has an incredible built-in system to heal itself, stay lean, and even protect against diseases like cancer? In this video, we'll explore simple yet powerful daily habits inspired by 5 legendary Japanese scientists who have revolutionized our understanding of health and longevity. We'll start with Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, the Nobel Prize-winning scientist who uncovered autophagy, a fascinating process where your cells self-clean and regenerate. Then, we'll dive into the research of Dr. Takayuki Teruya, who studies the metabolic benefits of fasting, and Dr. Shigeki Hinohara, one of Japan's most respected longevity experts. We'll also learn from Dr. Yumi Ishihara, a renowned physician trusted by Japanese prime ministers, and Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a pioneering gastroenterologist who emphasized the vital connection between good health, enzyme-rich foods, and disease prevention. By the end of this video, you'll understand how autophagy works and, more importantly, how you can activate it in your life for better health and longevity. What is autophagy? Autophagy is your body's natural recycling system, a built-in detox that keeps your cells clean and efficient. Think of it as cellular housekeeping. Your body breaks down and removes damaged parts, making way for stronger, healthier cells. Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, the Nobel Prize-winning scientist, discovered that autophagy becomes especially active during periods of fasting or stress, helping your body repair itself, maintain a healthy weight, and lower the risk of diseases like cancer. As Dr. Ohsumi emphasized in his Nobel lecture, without autophagy, our cells cannot survive. This process is essential for keeping your body balanced, energized, and resilient. One of Dr. Ohsumi's core philosophies is that scientific progress thrives on collaboration and openness. Since his groundbreaking discovery, countless scientists have expanded research into the practical applications of autophagy, now widely recognized as being linked to aging, cancer prevention, neurodegenerative diseases, and immunity. The key takeaway, supporting your body's internal cleaning system, both at the cellular and lifestyle levels, is crucial for long-term health. So, how can we activate autophagy in our daily lives and harness its benefits? It's easier than you think. Here are 3 Japanese longevity-inspired diet and lifestyle tips, backed by top Japanese scientists. Tip number 1. Activate autophagy with intermittent fasting. One of the most effective ways to trigger autophagy is intermittent fasting, a practice that has been deeply woven into traditional Japanese lifestyles for generations. But what exactly is intermittent fasting? Simply put, it means creating a daily window of time where you don't eat, allowing your body to shift from digestion to deep cellular repair. Many Japanese researchers, inspired by Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi's work, advocate for a natural fasting period of 12 to 16 hours, a rhythm that aligns with how older generations in Japan naturally eat. Many Japanese elders intuitively skip meals or maintain longer gaps between dinner and breakfast, unknowingly supporting their body's built-in cleansing and renewal processes. One leading scientist in this field is Dr. Takayuki Teruya, a Japanese researcher specializing in the metabolic benefits of fasting. His research shows that fasting is not only about weight loss, but it also enhances metabolism, boosts antioxidant production, and may even slow down aging. Dr. Teruya's studies have shown that fasting stimulates various metabolic pathways, leading to increased production of metabolites involved in energy production and antioxidant defense. This suggests that fasting can rejuvenate metabolic processes and promote overall health. His research also indicates that fasting elevates levels of antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This enhancement of the body's natural antioxidant capacity may contribute to the prevention of oxidative stress-related diseases. By activating specific metabolic reactions, fasting may play a role in mitigating some effects of aging. Dr. Teruya strongly advocates for the health benefits of fasting, emphasizing its role in revitalizing metabolism, strengthening antioxidant defenses, and potentially extending lifespan. Tip number 2. Practice Hara Hachi Bu. The second lifestyle tip is to embrace the traditional Japanese practice of Hara Hachi Bu, which means stop eating when you're 80% full. Rooted in Okinawan culture and supported by longevity studies, this principle encourages mindful eating and calorie restriction without malnutrition, allowing the body to enter cellular cleanup mode, or autophagy. This gentle calorie restriction, combined with long overnight breaks from food, reduces metabolic stress and gives your body more time for self-repair. Interestingly, in Okinawa, a region renowned for its high number of centenarians and known as a blue zone, people have naturally practiced this approach without even realizing it. Their tradition of having early, light dinners and long periods without late-night snacking essentially creates an overnight fasting window, which naturally supports autophagy. Dr. Shigeki Hinohara, one of Japan's most respected doctors and longevity experts, was a living example of this philosophy. He worked until the age of 105, advocating that staying engaged and never fully retiring keeps both the mind and body youthful. His approach to diet was simple: eat light, avoid excess sugar and processed foods, and follow Hara Hachi Bu, eating until 80% full, which he believed prevented excess weight gain and contributed to longevity. Dr. Hinohara also promoted staying active, taking the stairs instead of elevators and walking daily to maintain vitality. While he respected medicine, he warned against over-relying on doctors, instead advocating for preventive care, a positive mindset, and taking personal responsibility for one's own health. He also emphasized the importance of lifelong learning, curiosity, and having fun, often saying that enjoying life was the best way to forget pain. Tip number 3. Eat enzyme-rich, whole foods. To fully activate autophagy, what we eat plays a crucial role in supporting this natural process. Dr. Yumi Ishihara, the personal doctor to Japan's Prime Minister and head of the Ishihara Clinic in Tokyo, advocates for modified fasting as a powerful tool for health. His regimen includes a liquid breakfast of freshly squeezed carrot or apple juice, skipping lunch in favor of black tea with black sugar and ginger, and consuming one solid meal per day. This approach creates long fasting windows that naturally support cellular rejuvenation and autophagy. Dr. Ishihara often reminds us that most humans today eat too much, and he emphasizes the importance of practices like hara-hachi-bu, eating until you're 80% full, to encourage longevity and prevent overeating. Dr. Ishihara's liquid breakfast of freshly squeezed carrot or apple juice is an excellent way to break a fast. These juices are packed with essential nutrients that support digestion and recovery. Carrot juice, rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, helps with skin, eye health, and liver detoxification, while also offering an alkalizing effect on the stomach. Apple juice, full of antioxidants like quercetin, restores electrolytes and supports gut health with its natural pectin. Together, these juices are gentle on the digestive system and provide quick nourishment without overwhelming your body. To avoid blood sugar spikes, it's best to drink a small amount first, about half a glass, and wait 10 to 20 minutes before eating solid foods. Pairing your juice with a handful of nuts or a spoonful of olive oil can help slow sugar absorption and keep your energy levels balanced. Another fantastic drink to support autophagy is black tea with black sugar and ginger. This combination is warming, nutritious, and offers multiple health benefits. Black tea is rich in antioxidants that support heart health and metabolism, while black sugar, kurosato, is a natural alternative to refined sugar, providing minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium. Ginger adds powerful anti-inflammatory properties, aids digestion, improves circulation, and boosts immunity. This drink is great for providing gentle energy before fasting, and it also works well after fasting to aid digestion and replenish lost minerals. In line with the advice from these researchers, it's important to limit the number of solid meals you eat each day, ideally 1 or 2 meals. The emphasis should be on a plant-based, whole food diet. A traditional Japanese diet, rich in vegetables, seaweed, fermented foods, fish, and legumes like soybeans, natto, and miso, combined with whole grains such as brown rice and barley, provides the nutrients your body needs to thrive while supporting autophagy. Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a renowned Japanese-American gastroenterologist, promoted a diet rich in enzymes, fresh vegetables and fruits, and low in meat to maintain a healthy gut and prevent unnecessary metabolic stress. His Shinya biozyme theory advocates for a plant-based diet that complements autophagy by supporting digestive health and reducing inflammation. Dr. Shinya also believed in incorporating fasting into daily life. He introduced the concept of the Shinya Little Fast, a 16-hour fasting period where you eat an early dinner and have a late breakfast the next day. This practice gives your digestive system time to rest and supports internal cleansing, which aligns with autophagy. Dr. Shinya also emphasized the importance of hydration for metabolism and overall health. He recommended starting the day with a couple of glasses of clean water on an empty stomach to help cleanse the body. Japanese sencha green tea, rich in catechins and antioxidants, can also mildly support autophagy and overall health, so it's a great option throughout the day. Importantly, all these scientists agree that processed foods and excess sugar should be avoided. Overconsumption of refined sugars and white flour can cause insulin spikes, which suppress autophagy. Processed meats and chemical additives also harm gut health and metabolism, so it's best to steer clear of these foods. By following these principles, embracing intermittent fasting, eating plant-based whole foods, and avoiding excess sugar and processed foods, you can activate autophagy and let your body naturally repair itself.